Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a quote in Xero. This is a straightforward process that will help you professionally present pricing to your clients and streamline your sales workflow. Let's jump right in and get this done. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Look for the login fields where you'll type your email address and password. After entering both, click the Sign In button to access your Xero dashboard. This is where all your accounting and sales management happens, so make sure you're logged into the correct account if you manage multiple businesses. Once you're inside Xero, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. You'll see several menu options there, and what you're looking for is the one labeled Sales. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with various sales-related options. From that drop-down, select Quotes. This will take you to the Quotes page where you can view all your existing quotes and create new ones. Now it's time to start creating your quote. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a button that says New Quote. Click on it to open the quote creation form. This is where you'll input all the details your client needs to see. The first field you'll encounter is the Contact field. Here, you can either type the customer's name if they're already in your system, or you can add a new contact if this is a first-time client. Selecting an existing contact will automatically populate their details, saving you time. Next, enter the quote date in the Date field. This is the date the quote is being issued, so typically you'll use today's date. After that, you'll need to enter an expiry date in the Expiry field. This is important because it creates a sense of urgency and ensures that the pricing you're offering remains valid for a specific period. Choose a date that gives your client enough time to review and respond without leaving the quote open indefinitely. Now comes the core of your quote. Click on Add Item to start entering the products or services you're quoting for. For each item, you'll need to include a description, quantity, and unit price. Xero will automatically calculate the line totals for you, which makes this process much faster. You can add as many items as needed by clicking Add Item again for each additional product or service. Once all your items are entered, take a moment to review the line items carefully. This is your chance to adjust tax settings if needed, apply any discounts, and double-check that the totals are accurate. Xero calculates everything automatically, but it's always good practice to verify before sending it to your client. When you're satisfied that everything looks correct, it's time to send your quote. Click the Send button if you're ready to email it directly to your client. Xero will handle the delivery, and your client will receive a professional-looking quote they can review and approve. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a quote in Xero, making your sales process smoother and more professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.